Hello and welcome to this lesson of understanding magnification and its calculation. By the time you finish this video, you should be able to understand how magnification is calculated using the equation triangle, learn how electron microscopes provide much higher magnification than light microscopes, apply magnification formulas in practical examples. So what is an electron microscope? Electron microscopes are an invaluable tool for biologists. They provide magnifications of up to 2 million times, far surpassing the power of traditional light microscopes. This ability to magnify at such a high level allows scientists to see subcellular structures like mitochondria, chloroplasts, and ribosomes in far more detail. Here we have the equation triangle for magnification. As you can see, the triangle is divided into 3 sections. The top section represents I for image size. The bottom left section represents A for the actual size of the image, and the bottom right section represents M for magnification. Let's focus on how to use the equation triangle. Here, the hand is covering the M for magnification. This means we need to calculate the magnification. As shown, the hand is covering the A for actual size. To find the actual size, we divide the image size by the magnification. As shown, the hand is covering the I for image size. To find the image size, we can divide the actual size by the magnification. Today, we're going to explore an example using the equation triangle. So the question is, a drawing of a cell has a magnification of 2,000 times, and the image size is 400 millimeters. What is the actual size of the cell? Let's follow the steps together to answer the problem. First, we want to find the actual size of the cell, so we need to cover up the A in the equation triangle. The formula tells us actual size equals image size divided by magnification. Now let's substitute the given values into the formula. So we have actual size equals 400 millimeters divided by 2,000. So our final answer will be 0.2 millimeters. Let's dive into some exam-style practice questions. You can pause the video and try it yourself. For question number 1, a drawing of a cell is 150 millimeters long. The actual size of the cell is 0.03 millimeters. What is the magnification? First, let's use the equation triangle. We're looking for the magnification, so we need to cover up the M. The formula tells us magnification equals drawing size divided by actual size. Now let's substitute the given values into the formula. Magnification equals 150 millimeters divided by 0.03 millimeters. So the magnification is 5,000 times. The image of a mitochondrion is 120 millimeters in size under an electron microscope with a magnification of 2 million times. What is the actual size of the mitochondrion? First, let's use the equation triangle. We're looking for the actual size, so we need to cover up the A. The formula tells us actual size equals image size divided by magnification. Now let's substitute the given values into the formula. Actual size equals 120 millimeters divided by 2 million. So the actual size of the mitochondrion is 0.00006 millimeters or 60 nanometers. For the last one, the actual size of a vacuole is 0.2 millimeters. Using a light microscope with a magnification of 1,000 times, what would be the size of the image? First, let's use the equation triangle. We're looking for the image size, so we need to cover up the I. The formula tells us image size equals actual size multiply magnification. Now, let's substitute the given values into the formula. Image size equals 0.2 millimeters multiply 1,000. So the image size of the vacuole would be 200 millimeters.